Big Mama.
I'm so freaking shook. Like, this pizza is bigger than the freaking car. There's people snapping it. There's someone literally taking video of it right there. Oh my god. Little do they know it's for a party of 2.
Door number 1.
Oh my god.
Okay.
Oh my god. Look at this giant pizza. This is the biggest deliverable pizza in the world. This is Squishy Bunny, aka Raul, aka my man. And today we decided to do a mukbang. So fun fact, this was actually supposed to be me and my friends eating a bunch of pizza, and they all didn't make it. They all lied. They all bailed on us. Now it's literally just us 2 eating a bunch of pizza. Oh my gosh. But don't worry, you guys. This is not going to go to waste. Today's actually my little nephew's birthday. So later on, I'm going to go home, take all the pizza with me, take it home for the whole family. So for sure, this is going to be eaten.
Y'all want some pizza? Hey.
I can't. Oh, I'm dead right now. Do not forget that I'm having a bunch of holiday sales right now with Craft City. Go snatch at Target, at Joann's, the other stores. Stay updated on craftcitylife.com and follow us on Instagram at craftcitylife, honey. And without further ado,
let's eat some pizza.
Let's eat pizza.
Well, before we start eating pizza, we need the condiments.
Okay, I literally asked for like 20 ranches. You know what? My friends love ranch. We need a lot of ranch. This is from Big Mama's and Papa's Pizzeria, and it's actually a world record.
You're always breaking records, dude.
What are you talking about? So I am ready to go in. I don't even know where the heck we would put.
You know what? I feel like we're gonna finish here. Like we're gonna mess up this half of the pizza.
But maybe we could just talk about life and stuff.
I've never done one of these, so I don't know what to do or what to talk about. But
all right, I'm just gonna dig in.
Ooh, spring some. I love chili peppers.
And before y'all drag us about being fat and eating a bunch of pizza, I've actually been trying to eat healthy. Okay, I'm not gonna lie. The holidays are coming up, and it's been so freaking hard.
It's so hard to eat healthy in the holidays. I love putting ranch on my pizza. I don't know if anyone else does this, but it's amazing.
Doesn't everybody eat ranch on pizza? You guys, I freaking love watching these videos so much because you're just eating.
Oh, you're already going in? Okay.
Sorry.
Mmm. That's pretty good.
Oh.
So what's up, Karina? How's life?
It's pretty bomb.
How's the slime business going?
It's pretty slimy. You don't want pizza? Wait,
do you want to join us? Comment down below if you want Alex to join us. This is really good. I wonder how long it took them to make it.
Well, we actually had to place the order like 2 days ago. I think it's like 24 hours in advance. I mean, it's obvious why you have to place it in advance because it's a lot of pizza. And the guy was telling us that their oven is like bigger than this. I mean, obviously it has to fit in there, but I love the first burn, like down your throat. It's like.
So a mukbang, a mukbang or mukbang, how do you call it? Do they usually eat like a lot of food, or just them eating in front of the camera? How is it?
It's usually a lot.
Like a lot of food, like this much?
The ones that I watch, they order a lot of food, like a crap load.
Okay, the whole menu type of food.
Shout out to Trisha Paytas because she's literally like the mukbang queen. I feel like she started this trend. Hands down. I mean, I know mukbangs have been around, but she's the mukbang queen, honey. Like, I don't want to watch someone eat a slice of pizza. I want to watch them eat a whole freaking.
You want to watch them eat like this dish, this one, like a bunch of different ones, huh? I kind of get it.
I'm gonna take my lipstick off because my.
Take it off, sis.
I feel like I'm gonna get it all over the place.
Pizza cheers.
Slime couple.
A couple who slimes together.
Sticks together.
Sticks together, get it?
Sticks together. We've been getting into the wedding planning.
Yeah. Little by little, yeah. We have Karina's brother helping us out. He arranged some appointments for us.
I actually, guys, I found my dress. Can't show you guys.
Karina said yes to a dress.
Like, literally days ago I found it. Obviously, Squishy hasn't seen it. He can't. Literally, the only people that have seen it
Your family, right?
Is my mom and my siblings. And I haven't even shown my friends.
You know what's funny? I can't burp on demand.
I can.
Let's try it. How do you burp on demand?
It's like when you pop a slime bubble, like there's like...
Oh, okay. Like it gets trapped.
It was a weird, like, it was like trap.
I mean, I could probably eat this whole pizza within like a day, but like I would have to do it like in parts.
A day? Bro.
Wait a good 30 minutes, eat another 5.
Would you rather lose all of your money and valuables or all of the pictures you have ever taken?
That's so hard. No, you wouldn't trade happiness for money.
All
Every
every
pictures.
single picture you've ever taken in your entire life is gone. Fire. Ate them up. Or you lose all your money and valuables.
The first picture your mom took of you when you were born to
yeah.
the picture you put on Instagram an
Oh,
hour
wow.
ago.
I think I would pick for the money, because pictures like you have.
What?
No, like get rid of money.
Oh, okay. I was
Out of your-
about to say.
You know what I mean?
Money you can get back. You lose it every day anyway.
Would you rather always be 10 minutes late or always be 20 minutes early?
You know what's funny? I would rather be 20 minutes early, but the reality is I'm always 10 minutes late.
Would you rather always be 10 minutes late than 20 minutes early?
Yeah.
You can only be 10 minutes late for the rest of your life, or you can only be 20 minutes early.
Oh, you could only be late. Like you can't
You
go
could
past that.
never be on time.
I would
Yeah.
know. Like my ex, like everything would be canceled. My life would be over. I'm always late to everything.
No,
so I would have.
that's what I'm saying. Like you always want to be 20 minutes early, but
But
in reality, you never are.
I'd rather be early. Dang, it's like you lose either way.
You know, like, I'm always late. Like you always be early, so like you won't. So it won't bug you.
I don't
I'm
know.
gonna put a duck quack over every time you say the F-bomb.
Please do that. Okay, we'll do another rather.
Would you rather be able to see 10 minutes into your own future or 10 minutes into the future of anyone but yourself? You can only see 10 minutes into your future once.
Okay.
Or you can see 10 minutes into the future of anyone ever. It's
Oh
10
my god,
minutes.
10 minutes. Like literally from here in 10 minutes. Still eating
It's
pizza.
like-
I'm sorry, but my life ain't that interesting. Because if you look into mine, I'm still gonna be eating what I'm eating at the present time. I would rather look into someone else's life.
I would pick myself, because I want to know, like, let's say, like I'm about to crash right now.
I know what I'm doing in 10 minutes.
Yeah,
I'd rather know
exactly,
what
yeah.
someone else is doing in
Yeah.
10.
Would you rather go to jail for 4 years for something you did not do? Or
Okay, not that one.
or get away with something horrible you did,
Oh my God.
but always live in fear of being caught?
The first one, I would just.
I'm not going to jail for nobody. I'm not, no.
Nah, not that one.
For something I didn't do. I would not do that. I think, oh my god, but have a horrible secret? Like, how bad can it be?
Like murder someone or what?
I'm assuming. Like, yeah, I slaughtered someone and got away with it. But then you're living in fear.
But then 4 years in jail? That's a lot.
This sounds terrible, but I'd rather have something terrible. I'd rather have a terrible secret.
would-
Because I ain't going to jail for nobody.
Yeah.
Okay?
So Karina is not afraid to murder us and get away with it.
That makes kill us.
I don't know what happened to Alex.
Alex, who?
I've never met her. I don't know what you're talking about.
Would you rather accidentally be responsible for the death of a child,
Oh my god.
Wow.
or accidentally be responsible for the deaths of 3 adults?
I'd rather be responsible for the death of 3 adults.
Yeah, because the child has the whole, like their whole life to live, you know?
You can give me 5 adults and a child, and I think I should still save the child.
This is my 4th slice, Karina. We
Like
should
that?
race to see who gets first to the top. You know what I mean?
So you're just gonna like take him off?
Yeah, just like your next
no,
slice grab from
bro,
this
I
one.
would die. We're gonna die.
Like your next slice grab this one and this, you know what I mean?
We're gonna die.
Cheers to more pizza.
Oh my god.
Would you rather your shirts be always 2 sizes too big or 1 size too small?
Two sizes too big. I feel like loose clothing is cute.
Would you rather never use social media sites, apps again, or never watch another movie or TV show?
I'd rather never watch another movie or TV show because I feel like I haven't watched it in a while anyway.
Yeah, I remember as a kid I used to watch a lot more TV and TV shows. Now as an adult, like, I hardly do. Area 51 does exist.
No, like it really does.
No, yeah.
But the aliens, do you think they exist?
Yeah, I think aliens exist.
There's
I mean,
no way on Earth
there's no way on Earth
or
that,
in the universe.
that we're
Okay,
the
on
only
Earth,
ones.
we're the only humans, yes.
We're not the only humans.
There's no way
Or like the
on-
only like living forms.
Aliens are like, duh, real.
Aliens definitely exist. But there has to be something out there.
Life.
Yeah, life in general.
I always wonder though, because I know like it could be any
Well, you
living
know, like
thing.
a plant is a living thing too.
Well, yeah, but let's say like.
So we find plants in
Breathing.
another place. That's an alien. It's an alien plant.
Okay. Stop.
Technically, yeah.
It's like a broccoli, like
You're an
aliens, and then it's like expectation versus reality. Or what if the Earth
It's totally
just got
possible.
really lucky
Yeah.
to form intelligent beings? What if we're the only planet that is capable of having
No,
intelligence?
but then again, like if there's
I don't know.
No.
I really believe there's other like smart beings, intelligent beings out there.
organisms,
Intelligent life forms.
intelligent life forms
I
out
believe
there.
there's intelligent life forms out there
Same.
that are smart like the human beings. Like this is a lot of pizza roll.
Okay, Karina.
He's like, I know.
I think I got
I
it.
see it.
You know what? Hold on.
I've gotten 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This feels so wrong. I'm so full. I'm literally. I'm like in a food coma right now.
I'm done, Karina, with pizza.
I'm like in a legit
This
food
is
coma.
my first and last mukbang.
Okay, yeah, sure.
I gotta try this.
Honey.
Well, have you heard about conspiracy theories about people say that the moon in general is like a giant spacecraft of aliens just watching us? That the backside of the moon is actually like no, cause like
Backstage?
no, the backside no, cause like we only see the one side of the moon the whole time.
So the other side is what?
It's always dark. That's what they call it, dark side of the moon.
No, it
Yeah.
moves around.
No, the moon never moves
Doesn't
around.
it move around?
So this is the sun, right, Karina? This is Earth, and this is the moon. The moon rotates us as the Earth moves.
Oh my god, I'm an idiot.
Does that make sense?
I get it. It makes perfect
that make
sense. The moon.
Yeah.
You think it's doing this, but it's doing this.
So pretty much we're living a lie.
Would you rather be able to control fire or water?
I'd rather control water to put out the fires, Karina. You know, like with water, you can bring water to California, which we desperately need.
How you gonna stop these fires though?
With water.
Would you rather have unlimited sushi or unlimited tacos for the rest of life?
Unlimited tacos.
Unlimited tacos for the rest of life. I don't really like sushi.
Yeah, sushi's like whatever, but tacos.
I think I'd be fine never
they're-
eating sushi
Yeah,
again.
tacos are wow.
Would you rather give up bathing for a month or give up the internet for a month?
Wow.
I gotta pay my bills. I'm gonna be real stinky for a month.
Same.
When I was a kid, I hated showering.
You know what I used to hate the most too? Coming out the shower. Cause it was quite cold. I mean, cause it was freezing sometimes right when you come out.
Would you rather go back to age 5 with everything you know now? Or know now everything your future self will learn?
Okay, I would rather go back to when I was 5.
Am I the only one thinking if I was 5, maybe I could actually invent like all the really cool things right now? I could make the first YouTube video. I could invent YouTube.
Kurt, I
Wait,
got it.
no,
Okay,
I know what? No.
I got
Somebody
it.
builds a time machine in 60 years, and then I can go back in time, and it's like a win-win.
Would you rather relive the same day for 365 days or lose a year of your life?
Hold on. So relive 360
The same day.
Same day.
same day for a year.
One day. Nothing about that day changes. You just lose a year, just like that.
Let's be realistic. If you're reliving the same exact day, nothing changes. You're living the same day for 300 whatever for a year. You're still losing a year. So you might as well just skip it and get it over with.
Well, might as well just wake up like
It's
boom
like-
a year later.
Let's compare it to something that makes more sense.
What if like you relive
Yeah.
your birthday all over again, like for a whole year?
I
Or
hate my birthday. I think I'd rather skip the year because like you're reliving an ordinary
Yeah.
day. Like-
yeah, I guess I'll skip a year.
Would you rather never work again or never sleep again?
Wow, I would never work again.
Doesn't everybody love to sleep and like
Yeah, like
love?
who made up this question?
Dang, that's a hard one. Like, come on.
Would you rather do physical labor or no labor whatsoever? Obviously.
Super sensitive taste or super sensitive hearing?
Taste.
Taste, yeah, taste.
Wouldn't the food be just extra bomb?
Yeah, I feel taste so you can actually you can tell like if you're eating something that's poison. You don't want to hear extra when you try and fall asleep too, you know?
That's terrifying.
Like just
oh my god, that would give me like major anxiety.
Yeah.
Would you rather be a reverse centaur
What's a centaur?
or a reverse mermaid? So would you rather have a fish or a horse head?
That's hilarious. I'd rather have a horse face.
Yeah. I
But-
like fishes.
But horses are like majestic. You're out in the wild.
You're cute.
You're
yeah.
cool,
Like,
yeah, you know?
Your weave is like.
Your weave was on
I
point.
literally like.
Would you rather be constantly tired no matter how much you sleep, or constantly hungry no matter what you eat?
Oh.
Wow, that's me.
I mean, I feel like
I'm both of
I'm
them.
both of them. I'd rather never be full. I gotta get my good sleep. Being tired will just really suck every day.
Yeah, that's true. I'll probably be as big as this couch.
Would you rather be reincarnated as a fly, or just cease to exist after you die?
I'd rather cease to exist. Because flies die like in 2 days.
They die in one.
Yeah, or like in one, yeah. Probably just never exist.
I'd rather just not exist.
I'll probably
Isn't
just-
that sad?
I'll
We're
probably
basically saying like I'd rather not exist than be a fly. Like
Wow, that's, you know
how
what?
offensive is that to flies?
I've had too much pizza the past 2 days because we had pizza yesterday. I'm done with these videos.
No, honestly though, that was so much fun because I feel like we just hung out and just talked.
And just
this is
talked,
what we
yeah.
would do in general, like if we were just eating
Yeah,
alone.
that's true. But this time with the camera in front
Except
of
that
us.
we have like a million calories in front of us.
Truly, yeah.
Disclaimer: we're not gonna have this pizza go to waste. Sorry. Today is my nephew's birthday, actually, and my brother invited us over, so I know what I'm bringing to the table. It's honestly,
This
I
is
feel like
really
that was
nice.
like a little date. It was fun.
It was nice, yeah. I like
We should
it.
do this more often.
Cool.
Not with this much food.
Well,
but,
I
you know.
mean, mine is a pizza. This bean is big, but yeah, I'm down.
Like, hashtag pizza and chill.
Hashtag pizza and nap.
slime.
I need a nap after
Honestly, like, same. And without further ado, thank you guys so much for watching. If you want to follow Squishy Bunny, he is Squishy Bunny on Instagram. Squishy Bunny is with 2 eyes at
this.
the
Squishy
end.
Bunny on Instagram and Squishy on YouTube.
Comment down below if you want us to do more videos together, and if you do, what kind of videos you want us to do. I am so full. The next clip is like, we're all giving me CPR.
Stop throwing up in the
Oh
restaurant.
my god. Thanks for watching, guys. I love you guys, and I will see you guys in the next one.
Bye.
Bye.